Today I am going to start your fifth chapter, number exponents and powers. As you have read in class 6, that we can write as it is given 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Shortly we write it as 2 to the power 5. As you can see in your screen, 2 to the power 5, in which 2 read as base and 5 as power. In 2 to the power 5, in 2 to the power 5, 2 is the base and 5 is the power. Similarly, we can write as example -3 into -3 into -3. It can be shortly written as -3 to the power 3. And if it is given that write in extant form a to the power 4, we can write it, we multiply the base according to its power. As it is given a to the power 4, we write in extant form a into a into a into a. When it is given, we have to write 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 in exponential notation. First we take the same base and count down the repetition. As I have told you, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 is written 4 times. So we write it in exponential notation 7 to the power 4. And so some important laws of exponents are: for any rational number a upon b, for any rational number a upon b, and positive integers m and n, we have number 1, if in multiplication the base are same and the power are different. Shortly we can write it on the same base sum of the power. As first rule is a upon b to the power m into a upon b to the power n. Here we see the base in both is a upon b and the power is m and n. Both are in multiply, so we can write it on the same base sum of the powers, a upon b whole power m plus n. The second law is for division, if a upon b to the power m divide a to the power b a upon b to the power n equal to a upon b to the whole power m minus n. डिवीजन में सेम बेस होने पर डिवीजन में पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. A given is a upon b to the power m divide a to the power a upon b to the power n equal to a upon b whole power m minus n. The third law is, if a upon b to the power m whole power is n, when the base is in power notation and the whole power is given, then the power are multiplied on the same base. So we can write a upon b to the power m into n, that is a upon b to the power mn. Fourth law is a upon b to the power minus n. That is called inverse power. तो a upon b to the power minus n, यहाँ हमें निगेटिव साइन हटाने के लिए बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करना होता है. तो a upon b to the power minus n इक्वल टू b upon a to the power n. Fifth rule is a upon b to the power 0 इक्वल टू 1. अगर किसी आधार का पावर 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है. अगर हमें जितना भी लंबा कुछ दिया हुआ, क्या कर दिया, एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर करली ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड द होल पावर इज 0. So we have not to find the value of and solve the brackets. When we see the whole power is given 0, that means its solution is 1. Sixth, a upon b to the power minus 1. अगर इनवर्स पावर है तो पॉजिटिव में चेंज करने के लिए we only change the base in reciprocal form. A upon b to the power minus 1 equal to b upon a. बोलो
सर, वो आपने सिक्स्थ वाले में b अपॉन a अपॉन वो -1 नहीं लिखे जाएगा?
नहीं बेटा, हमने क्या बताया अभी, ये डिस्कस करो. a अपॉन b इनवर्स 1 दिया हुआ ना, पावर माइनस में है ना. तो यहाँ देखो
यस सर.
फोर्थ वाले में देखो, फोर्थ नंबर पर a अपॉन b टू द पावर माइनस n दिया हुआ है ना.
यस सर.
इक्वल टू, इसको जब पॉजिटिव में बदलते हैं एक्सपोनेंट को, यानी पावर को जब पॉजिटिव हम करते हैं तो बेस का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है ना. तो यहाँ तो n दिया हुआ है और 6 में देखो पावर क्या है 1. तो 1 पावर को मेंटली सबका होता है ना. अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए, जैसा कि उसमें पढ़ाया था कि अगर लिखा हुआ है कि ओनली a, तो व्हाट इज इट्स पावर. तो जब कोई पावर नहीं होता है तो क्या होता है, 1 होता है. ठीक है ना. इसलिए माइनस को यहाँ 1 नहीं लिखा गया है. ठीक.
यस सर.
इसे एग्जाम्पल्स के बेस पे जो हमारा लॉ है, अभी हम सब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं, बोर्ड पर देखना. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन देखो तुम्हारे स्क्रीन पर दिख रहे हैं. यू ऑल आर क्वेश्चन. The first question is simplify 3 upon 4 to the power 7 multiply 3 upon 4 to the power 5. Simplify 3 upon 4 to the power 7 into 3 upon 4 to the power 5. Solution 3 upon 4 to the power 7 into 3 upon 4 to the power 5 equal to 3 upon 4 to the power 7 plus 5 according to first rule. First law, a upon b to the power m into a upon b to the power n equal to a upon b to the power m plus n.
equal to 3 upon 4 to the power 12. This is the answer. Base, we see here 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Base are equal. When the base are equal, we add the power. 3 upon 4, 7 plus 5, that is 3 upon 4 to the power 12. Question number 2. Simplify and express as a rational number minus 3 upon 4 cube into minus 3 upon 4 square. Solution. This is also according to first rule. We see here the base are equal, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So we write minus 3 upon 4 cube into minus 3 upon 4 square equal to minus 3 upon 4 to the power 3 plus 2. That is minus 3 upon 4 to the power 5. Now we have to write as a rational number, so we can find it as 3 3 are 9, 243 minus 243 upon 1024. This is, we have write it as, we can write it also as minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4 to minus 3 upon 4 to minus 3 upon 4, 5 times. Here that when the power is odd form and the numerator is negative, we get the product negative.
मुझे
Next
आप
question is,
मत करो मित्र कांड रख पर चला
express as rational number. Express as rational number. This is first 4 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 upon 4 to the power 3. As according to rule, first 4 equal to 1 upon 250, 1 upon 64. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. The second is minus 2 upon 5 power equal to, we can write it minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5 equal to minus 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power, that is minus 8 upon 125. These are single. Question number 4. Simplify. Minus 3 upon 2 to the power 2 whole power minus 3. First we apply the rule third. Minus 3 upon 2 square whole power minus 3 equal to minus 3 upon 2 to the power 2 into minus 3. Law third. Equal to minus 3 upon 2 to the power minus 6 equal to, according to sixth rule, that is minus 2 upon 3 to the power 6. 6 equal to nine. Here minus sign is not used because the exponent is even. When the base is negative and the exponent is even, then the product is always positive. It's second. Six inverse minus 8 minus power 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Solution. First we write 6 minus 1 minus 8 minus 1 whole power minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 power minus 1 minus 3 power minus 1 whole power minus 1 equal to. First we change, that is according to sixth rule, a upon b to the power minus 1 equal to b upon a. So we can write it 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon a whole power minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 whole power minus 1. Here we see its LCM is 6 or 8, 24. 6 4 are 24 minus 8 3 are 24 plus its LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 power minus 1 equal to 1 upon 24 power minus 1 plus 1 upon 6 to the power minus 1. Law, we use law 6, that is 24 plus 6 equal to 30. Question number 5. If 9 into 3 to the power n equal to 3 to the power 6. Find the value of n. Okay. Solution. It is given 9 into 3 to the power n equal to 3 to the power. First we change 9 as the base of 3 equal to 3 square into 3 to the power n equal to 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 2 plus n equal to 3 to the power 6. We see here that the base are equal, so the power is added. To the power 6. Now, equating both sides, the base are equal, 3 and 3. Base are equal, 3 and 3. Therefore, 2 plus n equal to 6. Now, n equal to, we transpose 2. 6 minus 2. That is, n equal to 4. Hence, we have to find out value of n equal to 4. This way, we have to solve so many problems according to law of indices. Law that is called law of exponent or power. And the exercise you also have to solve the problems on these rules.